if you've never been summoned to jury duty here in Tennessee, you might not know how the process works, or if you even have been summoned, you may not know all the details about jury duty. So we've got some info that would come in handy for sure. We've got attorney Jim Higgins here from the Higgins Firm. Jim, we always love to have you here. Today it is Jury Duty 101. Okay, so we see the slip of paper and we go,
right.
We can't throw it away, can we?
Oh no, it's a summons for you to come to court, and you get in trouble for throwing it away. Yeah.
So if you threw it away, legitimately you could get fined.
Yeah.
You can't ignore it.
No, you can't ignore it. And you don't need to. You know, I think common questions that I always get, and like anybody does, but a lot of times my clients or somebody will get summoned for jury duty, so they ask me, and the first one they always ask is, well, can I get out of it?
That's what I was going to say. Isn't that the number one thing you think of? How can I get out of this?
Right. And I always tell folks, well, if I could get you out of it, I wouldn't, and that you really can. I mean, you know, it's such a part of our judicial system, and it's so important to all of us and the Constitution, and I think it's something that when you get it, you got to look at it as a privilege. It's never a convenient time, right? That's just life. There's never a convenient time for it. But I think when you do it and you've gone through the process, I mean, it's never perfect, but you feel the importance of it.
And most people who do serve on juries, when they leave, they do feel like, okay, we have served really, I'm going to say noble. Because it is, you know, for some reason, the call to vote is elevated. Yes, make your vote count. And jury duty is sort of like the stepchild. That's a wrong term to use nowadays. No. But you know what I'm saying. It's always like we don't want to do it. Right. But it's important.
It is, and you're right. After I talking to somebody before and then talking to someone by after, I mean, like all of us, we all complain, but they always tell me, I'm glad I did it. It was interesting. It was fascinating. I mean, and you know, we got how many lawyer shows on TV right now, and the reason is it is interesting, and you've got people that you can feel in those chairs that they are depending on you.
They really are. Yeah. Okay, so, and here's the other thing. People get worried about work.
Yeah.
Your employer cannot reprimand you, fire you. There's lots of legal security to going to jury duty.
Your job's protected. They have to pay you if they have over 5 employees. And as we discussed, you also get a big $11 a day from the jury system.
That's right. You get $11 a day. And don't you get a meal?
And lunch. Yes. How can you go wrong with that? Yeah, they need to bump that up. They really do.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. $11 a day and a lunch. I'm in. I shouldn't say that. The letter will probably arrive soon. Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm. He always has the right answers to us, all of our legal questions. 1-800-705-2121. Go to HigginsFirm.com, thehigginsfirm.com to get more information. Jim, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Give him a call if you ever have an issue. I know we do.